Time is a funny thing. It can fool you, making you think it's unlimited. But then you blink and you realize time doesn't stop because you're unsure. It doesn't wait until you're ready. It just keeps moving. And that can be a tough lesson to learn. But every now and then, something shows up. A real opportunity. Just a door that's been there the whole time, inviting you to walk through. Giving you the chance to learn something, to build something, to make a life with your own hands. The opportunity isn't waiting somewhere up ahead. It's here. And the time is now.